Hello, my money makers. I recently came across this particular channel called Health 365. This channel talks about health, and guess what? This channel only posted 15 videos and has gotten 128k subscribers. Let me show you the details of this channel. This channel was opened 3 months ago. It was opened December 28, 2024. Gotten 128 subscribers, has posted 15 videos, and has gotten over 8 million plus views. This channel is actually monetized, and if you doubt, just go to your browser this way. Go and install Next Level Chrome extension. Make sure that it is installed. Go back to that health channel. You will see it here. It is boldly written monetized, as you can see. So this channel, what it does is it teaches how to manage your health, anything about health, and it is very essential. Let me tell you one of the secrets of this channel, because it deals with human health. That is why this channel is exceptionally doing well. Just within 3 months or thereabouts has gotten monetized. And today I'm going to teach you how you can create this kind of video.
Top 7 vitamins strengthen your legs. Imagine waking up every morning with legs that
we
feel...
are going to do this just in 4 steps. The good part of this particular niche is that you can as well monetize it in other way. You can sell health related products, and you can affiliate with some other health companies, and there are other many ways that you can monetize this particular niche. It is just the best niche to start your YouTube journey, and I wouldn't want to waste your time. So let's head over to create this kind of video. The first thing is to come up with a script. After analyzing the channel, I was able to crack the code on how they create their video. Just go to my Google Docs, as you can see here. Copy this first prompt. Act as a YouTube's SEO expert. Copy it and head over to DeepSeek. Paste it and hit on generate. DeepSeek is going to give us different topics that we can handle on this particular niche. Now, when you look at it, the 5 most overlooked nutrients preventing chronic disease, why it works, and it will even give you the SEO keywords that you can use while posting that particular video. So the next thing is to develop our topic. Now we are going to develop each of these topics. For instance, the 5 most overlooked nutrients preventing chronic disease. We are going to develop it into a full script. So what you will do is head over to my Google Docs, which you will have access on my WhatsApp channel. So this is my Google Docs. Copy the second prompt. You will see it here. Copy this prompt too and paste on that same page of DeepSeek. Go to DeepSeek and paste it. Now this is why I am using DeepSeek. DeepSeek is a free website that you can use to get anything. So that particular information that ChatGPT Plus will give you, DeepSeek will give it to you for free. So you go ahead and paste it this way. I want you to take a look at this place where you have to put in your topic. The 5 most overlooked nutrients preventing chronic disease. Okay. When you want to copy it from my Google Docs, it states insert your topic. So that's where you will insert your topic. Okay. So let's go back. As soon as you drop it here and put in your topic, DeepSeek will give you the whole of the information. And if the information is very short, the script is short, tell DeepSeek to develop it more. Just like this. I wrote develop it more. You can see a lot of them. So as soon as you got whatever you want, the script that you want, go ahead and copy the entire script and paste on your Google Docs so that you can be able to edit it. Copy it and head over to your Google Docs and paste it. Make sure you edit it and remove every part that is not necessary. As you can see, I've done that already on my own docs. As soon as you are done, the next stage is to convert it to audio. And for this, we will first of all copy this and head over to crick.com. Now head over to crick.com. You can see it here, crick.com. Crick.com is a free audio website where you can get your audio, convert your text to audio. It is free for now, but they don't really have the kind of voice that I need. So you can get more good voice on 11 Labs and Dub, even on TTS OpenAI. but 11 lap and duped up stands out for me. So you're gonna paste your write-up here, paste it here, then give it title health 1, the name of your file. Okay, that's the title. So this is where you have to change the audio person. You have to check out these audios.
Create realistic voiceover audio using the most natural sounding AI.
No.
Create realistic voiceover audio using the most natural sounding AI voices.
So I'm going to go with Andrew. I'll tap on Andrew. Okay, this is it. Let's play our preview.
Discover exactly what they are getting shots. There's a silent epidemic happening in our bodies right now, and it's not what you think.
The voice is very nice. You go ahead and click create audio.
Unexplained fatigue, brain fog that won't
It will start creating.
life-threatening disease.
Our audio file is ready. You go ahead and tap on it. Okay, tap on it, and you go ahead and download it from this end. You can see it here. It has downloaded. So we are going to the next stage, which is actually editing our video. Now for this editing and creation, we are going to make use of Canva. As you can see here, go to canva.com. Okay, you click on video aspect of Canva, just like this. Now we are going to select template here, YouTube video first. We are going to design this background. Tap on the background, click on this color above here. Now we are going to use gradient color. Tap on this color here, click on gradients. Now let me tell you, for you to stand out, you don't necessarily use its own color. You can pick your own color, okay, and work on it. Let me go back. I want gradients. You just have to choose any one that works for you. Let me choose this one. Now you go ahead and bring elements, these elements here, just to add on top. Remember, we are just designing our background. Okay, use these, turn it to be a rectangle, and move it up to the top or the edge of the square, just like this. We are doing a kind of design, so you can also change the color of this and make it to have a gradient color as well. Gradients. Let's choose a different color that relates. Okay, this color is good. Now you are going to write something on top of this place. You are going to write, the topic that we are developing is the 5 most overlooked nutrients preventing chronic disease. So we are going to make use of these SEO keywords, overlooked nutrients for health. I will copy it. So that you use the first one, or you use prevent chronic disease. Just go with what DeepSeek suggested for you. Now we are going to do this right up here. Click on text. Okay, choose the subheading and paste what you copied. You drag it up, change the color as well. You have to change the color to white. White is good. Also make it to be bold. Tap on this text and click on the bold icon. So the next thing is for us to duplicate this particular rectangle here, so that it can be under the bigger rectangle. Let's duplicate. I used Ctrl D to duplicate it. You keep it under, just like this. The next thing is to put your logo. If you have the logo of your channel, put it here, and also write the name of your channel. Then also add the subscribe button of your channel here. Now the next stage is for us to add our doctor. So once you are done adding your subscribe button, your logo, you are to add just a doctor video here, just to illustrate that this is a medical content. So it's either you come to these elements, this is elements, you go to videos, click on see all on videos, you search for teaching doctor. You will see a lot of videos here, just free videos. The one that comes in golden color is the paid ones. So you can indirectly also go to free pick. So this is free pick. You can as well use pixels or pixabay, even vividly. You can use it to get your videos. So let's head over to video section of free pick. Then you come to this place and search teaching, male teaching doctor, male teaching doctor. Now you can also use AI to generate the video, but it is one of their paid plans. Let's search our teaching doctors. So this is the one. I'll go ahead and click on 4K so that it can come out in a good quality. You click on download preview. It's downloading here. You can see it. So we are going to go back to our Canva again and bring in that video that we just downloaded. Go to upload. Go to upload files. So once it comes here, you are going to work on this. Let's reduce it a bit, just like this. Okay. Then make it to be small, very small. And bring it to the down part of this video, just like this. Remember, your logo will be here, and also the name of your channel if you wish. Okay, so this is it. So the next thing is for us to bring in our audio, because we have started our editing properly. So head over to your upload section, upload files. So this is our audio. We are going to tap on it so that it can enter here. Look at it here. Okay, just remember that we are going to duplicate this as soon as you finish designing. So our audio is already here. The next thing is to bring our write-up. Go back to your Google Docs, the place you develop the script. Copy it word after word. The first sentence comes just this way. Copy. You go over to the Canva text. Then use the normal text, just like this one, and click on paste. So this is it. What we are going to do is to reduce it a bit. Okay, and then this text is too much. You need to reduce it small. Just like this. We are going to add this text animation, make it to animate. Go ahead and animate this text. Tap on it, you see animate. Okay, you go with typewriter. The next thing is to add an image that showcases this thing that we wrote here. Stop what you are doing right now. I need you to hear this. There is a silent epidemic happening in our bodies right now. You can go to elements and search for it. Just pictures. Okay, I have to click on pictures, not graphics, not stickers, photos. Click on photos. Let's search for pandemic in our body, pandemic in our body, just like this. Enter. So let's see what it will bring out. You see a lot of pictures here. Okay, you can just pick any one that relates to it. You can just pick this one. You can also pick images from free pick. So go to free pick this way and go to photo section, the photos. Let's click on it so that we can be able to remove the background. Canva, if you want to remove their background, you need to pay for their premium services. Okay, pandemic in our body. Okay, you will see a lot of beautiful pictures here. See a lot of beautiful pictures. So let's go with this one. We have to download it. So once we download it, for us to remove the background, we can use remove remove bt.com, remove bt.com, just this way. Upload image, just like this. Upload that image that we downloaded from FreePic and remove the background. Download. You go ahead and download it. Okay, so let's go back to our Canva as well, just this way. But I want to let you know that if you want to continue doing this kind of needs, it is advisable that you subscribe to Canva so that you can be able to have all these tools inside here and you don't need to go out of Canva and get whatever you are designing. So let's upload our photo that we just downloaded now. Click on it, open, tap on it, just this way. You zoom it, just this way. You need to make it to be very obvious. So this is it. So let's play our video small.
Stop what you're doing right now. I need you to hear this. There's a silent epidemic happening in our bodies right now.
Okay, so I'm going to stretch this a bit so that it can cover the text here. Let's play it.
Stop what you're doing right now. I need you to hear this. There's a silent epidemic happening in our bodies right now, and it's not what you think.
As soon as this text ends here, you duplicate this. Drop your cursor here and click on duplicate page. You will duplicate the pages until you get all your text covered. I mean your scripts from this place, until you get all your scripts covered. So the next one is we are going to copy this one and head over to Canva again. Just edit, paste. It won't be hard again. Just paste this. Take it this way so that it can reduce its coverage. Okay, drag it up a bit, just this way. So be conscious of your size. You can reduce the size and you can increase it here. Now you have to delete this picture and get another picture that explains what is here. It is not sugar, it is not processed food, it is something far more. So you are going to get picture that looks like this. Let's go and get brain fork. Okay, the same thing, just follow the process that we followed before. Go to FreePic. When you are creating your own, make sure you get each pictures for each section. Okay, let's play it.
Stop what you're doing right now. I need you to hear this. There's a silent epidemic happening in our bodies right now, and it's not what you think. It's not sugar. It's not processed foods. It's something far more insidious. We're being starved of 5 critical nutrients.
Okay, and then make sure that it covers the audio. I'm going to drag this.
Not sugar. It's not processed foods. It's something far more insidious. We're being starved of 5 critical nutrients.
Now as soon as you are done, you go ahead and share your video. And you go ahead and download your video. Make sure you cover all your scripts. And if Canva is hard for you to design, you can use CapCut as well to get this done as well. Just design this interface, download it and go back to CapCut and design your videos.